Alright guys, today we are putting new doors on all these cabinets. So you can see Jeff, he's marking out 3 inches on center for these. It's gonna have a 1/2 inch overlay. So we got all the Blum hinges, so you can see the soft close mechanism right here. And these are the press-ins, so we'll clamp them. Let me see if I can get this camera going. Just like this. Sits right in there. And then if you can't get those, or if you don't bore them, we have these empty ones. So they sit in the cup just like that. But there's a fitting for these screws that go right in this. Just like so. And then you'll put this in and screw it. So anyhow, let's see. You'll see the face frame. So he's setting a mark where the new clip needs to go. Let me grab a clip. And they're gonna sit just like this. And then the hinge will go on. So anyways, here we go. All Blum hinges. Soft close. All done here in about 3 hours. We'll end up adding a crown piece for him when we come back. And finish this island off. He's gonna do a gray island. And then put some posts on there. So should look good. But 3 hours. Reface.